sometimes somebody sins and we ought to pray for them. My pastor friend, when he said something inappropriate, he knew that he did wrong, but we still prayed for him. My friend who went and checked out the teenage girl, which is absolutely wrong, how could I not pray for him when I still love him? He's still my friend. We have been in prayer meetings together. We have to pray for each other. We're talking about touch, and this is not just physical touch. This is touching in the spirit, because my spirit needs to be going out and touching your spirit and saying, God, I recognize that my brother has sinned, but Lord, touch him, redeem him, help him, Lord. Find some way, Lord God, to grant that his latter years will be years, Lord, that will be a blessing. In many cases, there is the need for a cooling off period. What do I mean by that? You don't have an affair with the secretary in the church and leave that church, go across town and start a new church with the members of your congregation who recognize that you sin but said, oh, well, my pastor sinned, but we are all sinners, and so I'm going to go and I'm going to be a part of his church. 1 week after he messed up over there. Have a cooling off period. Sometimes you need to say, God, I recognize something is wrong in my life, and I am going to sit and I'm going to learn and I'm going to try to understand what went wrong in my life before I can continue to lead others. Work towards restoration or submit to the process of restoration.